Today, you and I get to interview some politicians. Let's get to it. Mr. Clinton, care to comment on the speculation that you might end up being your wife's VP?
Oh, that is crazy talk from a crazy man. Even though you and I both know I'd make a wonderful vice president to my wife, Hillary. Hillary Clinton. I love my wife. I do. I love her. I love my wife.
He's got a real itchy nose.
Have you ever seen House of Cards?
I have.
We are nothing like that couple. We are absolutely nothing like Blair.
Does he have chicken pox, but only on his nose? Mr. Kennedy, I know there are a lot of things people in the world think they know about you, but if any of it's untrue, now's the time to clear the air. So if you want, go ahead.
Even though I was shot, I was not.
What?
Even though I am dead, I am not.
Wait, what?
Even though you have a new president, I am still the current running president in the White House.
You okay?
All of my brothers are alive.
Are you sure?
My whole family is the luckiest one I've known for years.
I don't think that last one is true at all. Senator Sanders, mathematically, you're out of this race. Care to comment on why you're still campaigning?
Even though, yes, I am mathematically out of this race, I will continue to run, leaving my house open on Airbnb to momentarily solve the housing crisis.
That totally does sound like something Bernie would do. All right, Mr. Reagan, if you could just look into the camera and do a quick ASMR promo for us, that would be perfect.
Oh, sure, absolutely.
Whenever you're ready.
Hello, I'm Ronald Reagan. Welcome to the new ASMR series.
He is quiet, isn't he? He's really quiet when he talks. Maybe he needs the mic this close to his mouth. I'm roasting myself.
I played football. I was good at it too. I was an actor in Hollywood. I was also an actor in Washington, D.C. You may have seen me there. You might have liked my role out there.
Good one, Ronald. Good one. I enjoyed that one.
Well, that's all of it.
That's all you want?
Put that on repeat for about an hour. Play it week after week so that people remember how good I was at things.
Mr. Nixon, I must say your performance on Dancing with the Stars last night was phenomenal.
Thank you, son.
Truly something to see.
To be honest with you, that's probably the best night of my entire life. Better than being president, better than the night I chose to start beating my wife, and I don't do that anymore. I stopped. I promise, and you can believe me, I'm Richard Nixon.
Out of all the performances last night, a lot of the audience says that you really stole the show.
What?
Well,
What, the people said that about me?
that's a good thing that you stole the show.
How many times do I have to say I'm not a crook?
Oh, it's a compliment,
Okay?
Mr.
I say
Nixon.
it again. I'm not a crook. Everybody say it with me. I'm not a crook. I just beat women.
No, we didn't have to bring that up again. President Obama, care to comment on how we now have a Trump versus Hillary campaign?
Now listen, I understand your concern for a Trump and Hillary campaign, but let me be clear. I give 0 shits.
Oh, he
Now, I
swears
spent
he's such a cool
8
guy.
years of my life in that house dealing with all this shit.
That makes perfect sense to me.
Do I care who takes over for this country? Well, let me answer that question with another question. Am I balls off the walls excited? I did not get assassinated. Of course. Oh yeah.
That works for me. All of that works for me. Dr. Carson, care to comment on why we've never seen your eyes?
It has come to my attention. Most people think that I am sleep deprived.
All of us think that.
The truth of the matter is, I'm still recovering from all that NyQuil Bill Cosby slipped into my drink.
Wow, that's not a joke you should be making.
Don't worry, that's a little joke from me. Your next president.
Mr. Bush, you're a man of many words that we've never heard of and that don't exist. Care to rattle off a couple more that you've created?
Yeah, of course I can. I can do that better than being president. Filibusterate. To put a woman who is menstruating on the stand and let her just go on and on.
That definitely does sound like it would be a Bush joke.
Procrastibusterate. To procrastinate, putting a woman who is menstruating on that stand. See, it makes it twice as long.
I don't know where he gets this stuff.
Non-misunder irrecorehensible. Now that's my way of pleading the fifth. Yeah.
I don't have the slightest idea what just ran through your head to make up that last one. Just say I plead the fifth. It's way easier than trying to remember whatever you just made up. Mr. Trump, have you noticed?
No.
Oh, I'm
Horrible
sorry.
Start
Whoa,
to the
I'm
terrible
sorry.
start to the interview.
Sorry.
I know when to start an interview. Okay, you're gonna go and I said to go. I know a thing or
just
two
thought
about being in
you
front of
were-
the camera. Okay, I think we both know.
I'm gonna say all right. You can keep
know.
okay.
Whose dog is that? Somebody get that dog. I want that dog out of here. I want it deheaded.
Have you ever noticed when you start to favor something, people around the world start to favor the opposite of that thing?
Well, just because I love things, okay, is that a fair analysis?
Yeah.
So like how I love Emerson College. It's a great college. Of course I love Emerson College. It's a great college. You're telling me I might influence someone not to go back to Emerson College?
Yep. Senator Cruz, you're a human being. Care to comment on the human things you enjoy?
I love doing what every normal human loves doing. I like walking to places with my human legs.
Right, of course.
To and coming back from those places.
Mhm.
I like going. I like coming from. I like swinging. I like breaking. I like kissing. Kissing is very enjoyable with my human lips.
I also like
enjoyed
this.
being a baby, and now I enjoy being an older baby. I enjoy taxes. I enjoy.
You enjoy doing taxes?
Did you not like taxes?
Well, of course I don't.
Neither do I. I hate taxes. We'll get rid of them.
Ah, okay, yes. Now I enjoy him. Senator Palin, care to comment on how? Okay,
young
I'll
man.
give you
I'm
your.
still fascinated by where we are. Do you even know where we are right now? Like,
Yeah.
where are we? Gosh, is this a bat cave?
Uh-huh.
A bat cave filled instead of with bats with taxpayer dollars in the Middle
What?
East and the Iraqi situation? Like, are we surrounded by droplets that are not water but instead fear, making us become our own true selves, which is the
Okay.
bats that we are, not the bats in baseball? Oh gosh, let me talk about how in 9 innings can't it be decided in like 3?
You're picking-
those Cubs.
you're picking so
why
many
are they
different
America
things
colors,
to just
but
put
they're
into one-
Chicago team. The other one is black and white. Like, oh
I shouldn't
gosh,
have invited
black and
her
white's been out of
to
the
this.
business and for a long time now. Ever since Citizen Kane made everybody fall asleep. I can't believe that
Senator
John
Palin,
McCain
I don't
isn't running
need any
again
of
this
what
year.
you're
That's
telling me
crazy
at
to
all.
me. I can't believe Donnie Trumpet's running for president, let alone he's a candidate this year.
She has her
That's
own
crazy
judge
to
show
me.
now.
Good for him. I love the music. I enjoyed playing horned instruments as well in high school. I loved blowing things.
Well, shut her
That's,
up. That's all we have.
I lived
okay.
very close
goodbye.
to Russia,
Say goodbye.
So I was forced to do a lot of things.
She
in
doesn't
high
say
school
goodbye. She
and
never says goodbye.
elementary.